So now we can go for the types of numbers as a whole. So numbers is classified into real and imaginary that we have seen before. Then I said real numbers are the kinds of real numbers are rational numbers and irrational numbers together form the real numbers. So real rational numbers can be split up into fraction and integers, and examples of fraction can be 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, and integers can be split up into whole numbers, and whole numbers can be split up into natural numbers. So what is that integers are? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That is 0 with all the positive numbers and with the negative numbers all together form the integers. That is positive numbers and their negatives plus 0. Together it forms integers. So integers split up into whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to etc. And the whole number split up into natural number, that is without 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. forms the natural number. So mostly we deal with the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions. And what about the irrational number? This is about root 2 pi. So what is this meant? So the rational numbers can be fraction and integers. That is the rational, any rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction. It is called rational numbers, and which cannot be written as a fraction, it is called irrational numbers. So the fraction should be the both the numbers, it is of the form p by q. The rational numbers are all of the form p by q, and p and q should be integers and q is not equal to 0. There is no value for 2 by 0. So p by q, the rational numbers is always of the form p by q. Any fractions, then p by q is integers, or p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. And irrational numbers, they cannot be written as a fraction like root 2 pi etc. And imaginary numbers that we have seen, root minus 1 is I. So here comes the types, that is numbers split up into real and imaginary, and real number is split up into rational and irrational, and rational numbers fraction and integers, and integers can be split up into whole numbers and whole numbers into natural numbers. Then from here we can find the even numbers. What are all even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. And what are all odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. And from here, prime number and composite number. What are prime numbers? The prime numbers are numbers, it is greater than 1, and a number is said to be a prime number if the factors of the number will be only 2, and the factors will be 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. So if we take 2, it is divisible by 1 and the number 2. That is, the factors of 2 will be 1 and 2. the number 1 and the number itself. If we take the number 3, it is divisible by 1 and 3. That is, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Only two factors, 1 and the number itself. That is called prime number. And what is about composite number? All the numbers other than the prime number is said to be composite numbers. So today we have seen what are numbers and the kinds of numbers. I think you're all clear with this, and we can see more videos in mathematics in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, friends.